Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix or add custom cosmetics in a higher version. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add custom cosmetics in, let's say for example, Halloween 2022. This should work for every other higher version as well. Just holdables, I'm not sure if they work. It's a lot more complicated, so if you want a completely different tutorial for that, let me know. I'm not really going to go in depth for that today, but I will be covering hats, badges, and face. So to do it, it's actually very easy. It's pretty much just like the other ones, but I'm just going to do it anyway. So what you're going to do is you want to open up your project, and then I'm guessing you also have a playfab for it. I don't have one, so I'm gonna go quickly make one for it. Okay, so as you can see, I already have one right here. I'm guessing this is the one from the last time I used this project. I'm not very sure, but it just has the catalogs and the currency. So let's go ahead and start with the catalogs. What you want to do is you want to open the DLC, and then what you want to do now is since you want to create a new cosmetic, what you want to do is you want to go to items, new item, and then here, this is the familiar page we all hate probably. What you want to do is you just want to name it anything, so I'm just going to name it A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to do it like with a period or anything. It can literally be anything. You could do gorillatag or something. You could do really anything. So it doesn't really matter. Gorillatag just did it like this to be organized, even though I don't understand really the whole L stuff, but oh well, yeah. You want to put this as your item name. Display name, you can put this as it as well. If you want to make it buyable, you want to add a currency. I'm going to make it buyable. I'm going to make it 1,500. And then that should be all you do. Yeah. And then what you just do is you just click save item. And now if you scroll down, you should have your item right here. Now that your Unity is open, we have to figure out what frickin' cosmetic you want to add at all. So now that we made the catalog item, I'm just going to make it the finger painter badge. I don't think I have the finger painter badge in here, so now what you want to do is you want to go into my Discord server, and which will be down in the description below, and I'm just going to look for the freaking badge. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, we have so many in here. Here, creator badges. What you want to do is you want to download this, and then once this is done, you can just drag this in, just like that, import, and that's all you have to do. Now what you want to do is you actually want to try and set it up. So what you want to do for that, you want to go into the creator badges folder, tier 1, finger painter. You want to drag this out. Make sure you rename this to the to the item ID. So mine is 5 A's and then a period. Again, this could literally be anything you set it to. So yeah, you just want to unpack it completely. Then you want to put it on here. I'm not gonna actually try to put it on here. Is the finger painter usually that big? I don't think it is. I think it's like that, right? And it's like that. Dang, that is one big finger painter. What in the world? I swear the finger painter ain't that big. I think it's like that, right? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So now once you have it set on your character, what you want to do is you want to click on the gorilla. And then you should go to local VR rig, local gorilla player, rig, body. And then what you want to do for the badge, you want to locate, I forgot how to do this, hold up. 1 second. Alright, what you want to do is you want to go to old cosmetics body. You just want to open this thingy, and then you want to drag your little thing right into here. Now that it's one with the gorilla, you have to make sure it's actually defined as a badge, and to do that you want to go to local gorilla player. You want to scroll down to cosmetics, then scroll all the way down you want to click the plus, and then you just want to drag the element into there. That's all you have to do for right now, or for this at least. And then what you want to do is you want to turn this off. And now there's an annoying part, but we're not going to do that right now. Instead, you want to go to your Gorilla Player Actual or Gorilla Player Networked, whichever one it is. And on the second thought, you want to copy this first of all. Copy it, then go in, and then go into old cosmetics body again. Paste this child. Turn it on, make sure it's perfect. There you go. And then you want to do the same thing that we did with the Gorilla Player thing. So in here you want to go to cosmetics, scroll all the way down, add this just like that, and you're done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into cosmetics controller, and then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to all cosmetics. You want to scroll all the way down again, click the plus, and then this is why I named everything a period, because now you can just do like that. Copy this, paste that here. If it has a cost, add the cost. I did mine to 1,500. And then it's a badge, so click badge. Item picture, I'm just gonna do like the early access. There. Now that it's set in the cosmetics controller, we're gonna go ahead and go into city and actually make it a buyable cosmetic. So what we're gonna do is we're going to copy one of these. I'm just gonna copy the basic beanie. I'm not gonna make it look professional at all. Okay, yeah, so this is all a combined mesh. So to uncombine it, you just do, I think it's just cube, right? Yeah, you just do cube. There you go. The texts, 1 second. These texts, you should be able to move them just fine. Yeah. You just want to put these. Where's the other one? Right here and right here. You just want to put them under a plastic button to make it easier. I'm gonna put them right there. There you go. Then for the basic beanie, obviously this is also, there you go. So now this is all for the statics head mesh. You don't really need this. There are these the head models that you could use. I'm just going to use the button because it's insanely easy. What you want to do now, you want to go to the actual like thing, and then make sure the box collider, oh yeah, that won't work. So make sure the box collider is actually where it's supposed to be. So click the basic beanie, box collider, yeah, that should work fine. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down this cosmetic item. You want to set it to a period, a period, and then early access, item category badge, cost 1,500, this cosmetic name a period. So you want to fill it out just like this if you're making it buyable. And I'm not sure if this is actually the project with the playfab. If it's not, I'm gonna have to make it that real quick. Automation. It might be. Okay, it is. Perfect. So what you're gonna do now, I'm just gonna enable city real quick. Alright. So now you want to click on this. You want to test press it. Just like that. You should get it right here. Perfect. Why is gizmos on? Test press this. A period. That's fine. Yep. Purchasing success. Enjoy your new item. Now you will have it, as you can see. Now it's on, but you won't be able to find it anywhere inside of here. Why is that? Because we actually have to make it go onto the head models now. This is the most annoying part, but after, it'll be worth it. It'll look so much better. To do this, all you got to do is go out of play mode. Then you want to search up a period. you want to copy it, just like that. You want to go here, and you want to turn off everything except for badges, right? You want to turn it off. And then inside of badges, you want to turn off everything in here as well. And then right click and paste as child. You want to turn this on now. And it's already going to be the exact size, but it's just going to be a little bit like off. What you want to do, hold on, let me freaking, oh my god, dude. Alright, so what you're going to do now is you're going to drag it over, and you can set this practically to however you like. So I'm just going to put it over just like a little bit, just like that. I'm going to put it right here, just like that. And now once you have this one set, what you can do is you can copy this just like that, and then you can do it for the rest of these. So now what you're going to do, before you do anything else, you want to go into the head model script. You want to scroll down and then just add this as well, just like you would to the gorilla, just like that. Then you can turn everything back on, just like so. And then you can do the same for the center one. You can just paste this as child, and since it's already set in the perfect position, you don't even have to do anything. Now you just add it to the script, just like this, and then you just keep doing it over and over. Paste, scroll down, plus, drag this in, paste, scroll down, plus, drag this in. Now, if you go ahead and test play it, you should have a fully working custom cosmetic. So, yeah, alright. So if we go to badges now, we click this. I don't know why this is on. Oh, right. You want to make sure you turn off coming soon, because, well, otherwise you're going to have that. But now, as you can see, we have the finger painter badge now enabled. And you can test press it. Then it goes away. Test press it again. Turns right back on. Everybody can see this. That's why we did the Gorilla Player Networked. The reason you don't have to do it in Gorilla Game Manager like in Mountains Beta is because this Gorilla Game Manager is a different script. It doesn't have that cosmetic list. You don't have to paste it in and then also paste in the name. You don't have to do any of that. So doing this in actual like later updates is very much like a lot easier. So if you do only do Mountains Beta for like custom cosmetics, you can do it as well in later updates, and it's actually easier. So I recommend using Halloween 2022. It's a pretty good way of learning how to do custom cosmetics, and I recommend Halloween 2022 as it is a very simple project. As you can see here in game, you're running about 300 FPS, so it definitely will not lag. You'll be at 90 FPS or 72 FPS like most of the time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.